Following our theme, Prison Break, we named ourselves the Convicts. Our group consists of Emily Heiss and Dylan Bates. Our video will show you how we built our boat. We hope you like it. For our first step, we cut out a beginning model from some 1 cm scale paper. In the second step, we constructed a model out of a folder provided by our teacher. We actually made 2 models because our first model did not work as well as we hoped it would. As you can tell in these next 3 pictures, our first model didn't hold near the amount of marbles we needed it to. These next few pictures will show you a good description of how well our second model held with the many marbles placed into it. These 2 pictures show how Emily measured the marbles to see how much weight our model held. For our next step, we began collecting cardboard and drawing lines where it needed to be cut. Here you can see how we cut and began caulking the bottom of our boat. It's important to have a strong foundation for the rest of your boat. In these next few pictures, you will see how we brace the sides of our boat and line them in order to maintain the balance within our boat. In these next few pictures, you will see how we started bracing the bottom of our boat in order to bring more support for these sides of our boat. After the bracings were strong, we started putting the sides and the back of our boat on. As you can tell, we have braces on the inside and outside of the boat. Here you see a little support going over the top of our boat. And finally, our boat is in its correct shape. All sides and bracings have been set with caulk and masking tape. Next, we turn the boat upside down to check the durability of the braces. As we're nearing the end, we will take our boat outside to put a primer coat of paint on it. This primer helps with water resistancy and gives our finishing paint a good place to stick. After the primer dries, we are going to take our white boat back inside. Okay, and for our final step, we're going to put the finishing paint on. As Emily painted the sides, I painted on the back of the boat. I painted the names and the boat's theme, which was Prison Break, to act as if we stole the boat. Emily painted police on the sides. As ironic as it is, the police boat is our only chance at freedom. Red, white, and blue means freedom till it's right behind you. Well, starting to wrap up on the video. We hope you like our boat and wish us luck on our escape plan. Thank you for watching.